Hey everyone, my name is Leonard from Voltade, and today I want to share with you Echo, our AI CRM for SMEs. To get started, it's really straightforward. All you have to do is plug in your email. In our case, we run a catering company called Tauke Catering. After you plug in your email, just invite your colleagues and you're done. In the future, we'll be adding other channels like WhatsApp as well. So what can you do with Echo? Many things. But there are 3 outcomes that we hope to achieve for you. 1 is automation, 2 is visibility, and 3 is unity of your team. Echo has this really cool feature called Control Tower, which is an AI that automatically reads your emails and tags them as customer service, finance, government, hiring, sales, or any custom categories that you create. All you have to do is instruct the AI in plain English on how to tag the conversation with different categories. Right, so after you do this, you can see you get all of your different tags, and in your inbox, you can see this apply for manager role appears in hiring, all of these are sales orders, and this is for government. Do you see those different colors in your email? Well, that's our highlights feature, and it's an AI that reads your email and highlights important parts for you to focus on. So here in purple, it's asking me to focus on the dates, make sure that I don't miss them, and the red part is super important. There are dietary requirements to make sure that when I create the menu, I have to make sure there are no lactose and nuts, and the yellow ones are special requests. You can turn this on and off as well, and can go over here to customize what the different colors mean according to the nature of your business. So as I'm reading this email, I have to do some manual data entry. I have to manually record the lead details in a form, be it a quotation form or a database on the back end. That's so troublesome. What if I can just click one button and the AI can do it for me? That is possible within Echo, and it's our data tables feature. Well, first, reading this email, there are all this important information to key in, and also within the attachment, you can see that the menu was selected as classic. Okay, let's go to capture and just click this button. Just wait a few seconds. There we have it. It's able to actually pre-fill the form with the details in the email, and it can be an entire thread as well, and even select the menu chosen as circled in an image. And when I click submit, this will actually be saved in this data table called sales, and I can have different data tables, one for sales, one for HR candidates, and I can create new ones as well. And this is where I can view all of my leads in one place, so I can refer and call them later. Okay, next I want to show you our rewrite feature. So let's say I'm replying this email, right? And I'm getting a bit lazy. I don't want to reply the full email. I just want to say confirm order. We can also do level 2 with no charge, right? And obviously I'm not going to send out the email like that because that's a bit too casual. So I can press rewrite and get AI to help me rewrite it to my sales template, right? So AI is writing right now. It just takes a couple seconds. Give it a while. And I'll have a professional email here in my company's brand voice, encapsulating what I wanted to say. Right? We can cater to your request for level 2 access without any extra charges. Sounds good. Send the email and I'm done. Saves me so much time. Alright, let's say it's Tauke Catering's 100-year anniversary and I want to reward all of my customers with a great discount. But in the email that I sent out, I want to mention dietary restrictions so I don't sound tone deaf. How do I do that? Echo's campaign feature can help. All I have to do is just label my campaign name, type the instructions of how I want the email to be written, go next, select where my customer list comes from, select their emails, and select dietary restrictions as the column that I want to personalize with, and just wait a little while the AI is helping me write and personalize those emails, and I can just scroll through and check. You can see for Junjie, for example, Junjie doesn't like nuts, so yes, the AI nailed that. How about mailing? I believe mailing wants more vegetarian options. Okay, how about Shirley? Shirley is halal certified and vegetarian dishes. So this allows you to personalize all of these emails at scale, and after you're done checking through, you can just press the send button that's currently blocked by my face, and all of it will be sent out. Thank you.